In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your payment on Payhip. Whether you're new to Payhip or you've been using it for a while, setting up your payment details is an essential step to ensure you can receive payments from your sales. Don't worry, this process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step with clarity and ease. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Payhip account. Open your web browser and head over to payhip.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll see an option to log in at the top of the screen. Simply enter your credentials and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you should be on your dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your Payhip store. Next, let's navigate to your account settings, where you'll be able to manage various aspects of your account, including payment details. Look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust different preferences and account settings. Now that we're in the Settings menu, our focus is on setting up the payment method. So, look for a tab labeled Payment Details. Click on it to proceed. Here, Payhip provides you with options to connect a payment gateway, and typically, you will have a choice between PayPal and Stripe. The availability of these options might differ based on where you're located, so keep that in mind. Let's start by connecting PayPal, which is a popular choice for online transactions due to its wide usage and reliability. Beside PayPal, you should see a Connect button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will redirect you to PayPal's website. If you haven't already logged into PayPal, it will prompt you to do so. Enter your PayPal credentials and sign in. Now PayPal is going to ask you to authorize the connection. Confirm this to proceed and finalize the connection between Payhip and your PayPal account. Once these steps are complete, you'll be redirected back to Payhip. If everything has been set up correctly, you'll now see PayPal listed as your active payment method. Having your payment method set up means you'll be ready to get paid when your products start selling. And there you have it, a seamless setup of your payment details on Payhip. Remember, ensuring your payment information is correctly configured is crucial for smooth financial transactions on your platform. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, providing you with the confidence to set up your payments without a hitch. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Payhip's support is always available to help. Thanks for watching and happy selling.